Yes, good morning guys to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Yes. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you? Yes, Midun, good morning. So guys, today is the subject Engineering Mechanics for the series T-20 Super Series. Okay. So today we will discuss the questions from Engineering Mechanics. Yes, Jabir, good morning. So we are starting the session. Just like and share the session so that other students can also join it. Moving further. So guys, this is the detail of me, and today's subject is Engineering Mechanics. And this is related to one information of that workshop related to right approach to track GATE 2024 syllabus. That would be live on 8th of November, 8 PM, will be taken by Ravindra Tube sir. And next guys, I would like to tell you, if you want to download the ebook which will help you in preparation for GATE and ESC, you can see the description box. Also you can register for the workshop by going there. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. Okay, so next we are moving to the questions guys. This is the very first question in front of you. Yes, Jabir, at BYJU'S every faculty have different style and you will love with all of them. Yes. So let us start the question. This is the first question guys. A freight train travel with a velocity. You can see they have given the x dot, that is 20 into 1 minus e to the power minus t. Okay, this is given to you. And they are asking t is the elapsed time in second, distance traveled after seconds after. Okay. So you need to find out the distance travel, okay, and that distance travel you need to tell in t seconds. Yes, so in 3 seconds, okay. Yes, solve it. Try to solve it guys, then I will help you. So you can see they have given x dot. What do you mean by x dot? This is dx by dt, okay. So you need to find out x. So just go for the integration taking dt there. Solve it and tell me the answer. Solve it and tell me the answer. Yes. Jabir is saying 461. Okay. What about others? What about others? Yes, Midun, what is your answer? You can see how to solve it. You can write this as dx is equals to 21 minus e to the power minus t dt. Okay. So you need to find out distance travel. We will go for the integration. And when we are talking about this integration, this dx ka integration will become x. And you can see from here, if we are going to integration, this is asking in the 3 seconds. So first let us, we are talking about 0 to t, then at the end we will put t is equals to 3. Okay. So you can see it will be coming out to be 20 as constant, and integration of 1 is going to be t, and integration of e to the power minus t is going to be e to the power minus t into minus 1. Is it correct? So this is going to be from 0 to t. Now you can put 0 to t, and t can be equals to 3 seconds. So getting x as 20 t plus e to the power minus t, and now you can put 0 to 3. So when you will be putting the value to be 3, x will be 20, 3 plus e to the power minus 3, and then you will be having the lower limit. It would be coming out to be minus e to the power 0 is 1. So now solve it and give me the value. Yes. Have you done it in the same way, Jabir? Have you done it in the same way? Or any mistake you have done? Please tell me that. And Midun, what is your answer? Why are you guys not replying? Yes. Calculation mistake. So when you will be solving it, the answer will be coming out to be 40.996. Answer will be 40.996. Okay. So moving to the next question, guys. Next question is this. A sphere is fired downward into a medium with an initial speed. Initial speed is 27 meter per second. If it experiences a deceleration, so acceleration is minus 60 meter per second square. Determine the distance traveled before it stops. So final velocity is 0 and you need to find out the distance traveled. Okay. So that is how you need to solve it. So you know, first of all, acceleration is given as dv by dt and that is given as minus 60. From here you can find out the expression for velocity. Okay. Then you know dx by dt is velocity. So using this you can get the expression for x and then you can put, you can see how the velocity is varying. Okay. So first of all, just do the first step, then I will tell you how to move further. Try this. Try this, then I will help you. Okay, Vineet have given the answer to be B for this. Okay, what about others? What about others? Very good, Vineet. So guys, just like and share the session. I feel today number of students are less. Now I feel you are not interested in more practice. Yes. Try to solve it. Try to solve it, guys. So when you are going to have this x double dot is given to you as minus 60. Yes, solve it. Yes. So guys, you can see acceleration which is given as x double dot is equals to minus 60. So when you are going to integrate it, then this will become x dot. Okay. And when you're talking about this is minus 60, obviously you can write it in this way that it is integration of dv is equals to minus 60 dt. Yes, you can write it in this way. So when you are going to integrate it, you will be getting the velocity, but you can see he is starting from 27 and going to 0. Okay, starting from 27 and going to 0. So I am saying, let us say we are integrating from 27 to some velocity v. So you would be getting v minus 27, that is coming out to be integration of minus 60 dt. So this will be minus 6 and integration of t will be t square by 2. Okay. So you can see you will be getting it is v minus 27 is equals to minus 6 t square by 2. It will be minus 3 t square. Okay. So from here, this is you are getting v as equals to minus 3 t square plus 27. Okay. Very good. Okay, Utkarsh have also given the right answer. Ha, simply integrate karna. Yes, very good, Vineet. So Utkarsh, Vineet, both of you have given the right answer. So answer is coming out to be 54. Yes. Now you can see, you can write it as dx by dt. Once again, integration will give you the value out to be 54 meters. So the answer will be coming B for this. So that's really great, guys. Bahut badhiya. Ha, because it is given as, okay, you found out t first. Yes, it's fine. T is 3 seconds. Moving to the third question from parabola. Yes, moving to the next question from parabola. Sorry, not parabola. It is from projectile motion. From projectile motion. From projectile motion. So solve it, guys. Here they have given you the alpha, r is the range. A mortar having muzzle velocity of 215 meter per second fires for maximum range across a level plane. Neglecting air resistance, time of flight of the shell is. Yes, you need to find out the time of flight. I feel everybody would be knowing the formula for time of flight. Yes. Solve it, guys. Okay, Vineet is saying 31.2. 31.1 or 2. Okay, very good, Vineet. So you know that the formula for time of flight is 2v0 by g, then sine 2 alpha. Am I correct? Or sine alpha? Sine 2 alpha or sine alpha? So you just need to put the value. Very good, Vineet. Very good. So you just need to put the value. If you see, they have given the value of v0 and you know the value of g. 2 into 215. G is 9.81 and it is sine 45. So by solving, you will be getting the answer to be equals to 31.2. Very good, Hania Amir. The answer will be 31.2 seconds. That is correct. Very good. Very good, Hania Amir. Very good, Vineet. You are doing really well. Moving to the next question once again from the projectile motion. Here you have a comparison of two projectile. One is at an angle of alpha 1, other is at an angle of alpha 2. So you can see two adjacent bowling machine delivers balls at this simultaneously at angles of alpha 1 and alpha 2 for the same target at a range of this meter. Calculate the time difference between the two hits. So my dear, you have just seen the formula for the time. So you need to find out the T1 and T2 and then delta T. So answer will be delta T. So you have just seen the formula. Okay. You need to apply that formula. Okay. But for that, you need to have some relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. For that, range is given same to you. So you can equate their ranges. Okay. Nahi, Hania Amir, they have given the maximum. Maximum range is for 45 degree. So when they mention maximum range, it means angle will be 45 degree. Okay. Is it clear? So try to solve it. Try to solve it. You need to put first of all R1 is equals to R2. So you need to equate the formula for the range first. Okay. And you know range formula is V square by G into sine 2 alpha. I feel this is the formula for range. V square by G. Is it correct? Is it correct, guys? This is the formula for range. So you need to equate R1 and R2. When you will be, yes, Manu, welcome to this session after so many days. You came here. So welcome. So guys, you will equate the ranges. R1 is equals to R2. So when you will be equating, you will be getting the relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. Okay. So just try to solve it. Just try to solve it. Okay. Let me share the session in the groups. So when you will be putting them equal, you would be getting sine 2 alpha 1 is equals to sine 2 alpha 2. Then you will be writing sine 2 alpha 2 as sine 180 minus 2 alpha 2. So in that case, you will be able to write 2 alpha 1 barabar 180 minus 2 alpha 2. Then you will be getting alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equals to 90 degree. This is where you will reach by equating them. Okay. Is it clear? Now try by yourself. Okay. Kalyan have given the answer 5.5. Let me check it because I have already solved it for you. Yes. So the answer is correct. Very good. Kalyan and Vineet, you guys are doing excellently well. So guys, after getting this relation, now you can see they have given you the value of velocity and as well as range. So you will put the value of range. R1 is equals to, you can see the formula we have applied, V square G sine 2 alpha 1. So when you will be putting this range value is given to you, you will get alpha 1 and alpha 2. So you will be getting alpha 1 value to be equals to 6.12 and alpha 2 is 90 minus 6.12, so 83.88. Now my dear, you will find out the formula for time. You already know. So you have applied the time of flight. Okay. So when you will find out T1 and T2, then taking delta T as T1 minus T2. You will get 5.52 seconds. So the answer will be coming out to be A. Is it clear, guys? Moving to the next question from Trusses. Yes, very good, Vineet. मजा आना चाहिए. Kishan, okay, many students are seeing recording. Okay, dear, that's fine. But when you come live, it is also a motivation for us as well, because interaction is required. So that's fine. Solve this question. This is a truss question. A plain cantilever truss is loaded as shown in the figure. If a positive sign denotes tension and negative sign compression, the axial force in member 1. I will give you a hint. In this member, you need to find out the force. This is the member. So for that, you can apply the method of section by cutting it from here. Okay, by cutting it from here. You just need to take moment about O to be 0. You will get your answer. Just need to take moment about O to be 0. You will get your answer. Okay, because the force in this member is passing from O. The force in this member is also passing from O. So my dear, the point is you will be getting moment only because of this P, this P, this P, and the force in this member. Now this P and this P, they are creating anti-clockwise. So from that I can say the force in this yellow member would be in this direction to balance the moment. Okay. So you need to find out this R. Try to solve it and get the answer. Okay, Manu, that's fine. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Vineet is saying the answer to be 2P. Okay, what about others? What about others? Manu, Kishan, Kalyan, Hania Amir. What would be the answer? Yes. Midun is also saying the answer to be 2P. So dear, you need to take summation moment about O to be 0. You can see this P, this P and this P. So you will write R into 12. Then minus P into 12, minus P into 8, minus P into 4 is equals to 0. So you will be getting R is equals to 2P. So I have given you the hint for this. Okay, so the member is having, okay, so when you will see the answer is 2P. So I feel we have solved it. This is a question from the first chapter, equilibrium. Ha, 2P aayega Manu, very good. So guys, this is the question from equilibrium. So we have seen right now the question from kinematics, from projectile motion. We have seen the question from truss. Now this question is from equilibrium. And this is our question number 6. Okay, so we are still left with 13, 14 more questions. As in this series, we are going for 20 questions. Okay, so just like and share it, guys. Just like and share it. Solve it. So I will give you the hint for that. If you see this, you can see they have kept a hinge point here. So here the weight of the person will be acting, and this string is like this, and tension in the string will also act. Okay, tension in the string will also act here, and you need to find out the tension in the string only. Okay, so this is the equilibrium free body diagram for that. Okay, so Vineet have given the answer to be 400. What about others? Very good, Vineet. Sir, please share the slide. Ha, Manu, definitely. I will share the PDF. Midun is saying the answer to be B. Very good. So dear, you just need to take moment about this point O. Summation moment about O to be 0. You can see this T will be creating anti-clockwise minus T into 4. This T will also be creating anti-clockwise minus T into 2. And this W will be creating clockwise, so you will write plus W into 4. Putting it to be 0, you will be getting the tension to be equals to 400 because weight is given as 600. So answer will be 400 Newton. B is the right answer. Yes, very good. Very good, Kalyan. Moving to the next question, guys. This is once again from equilibrium. We have covered all the topics nearly. Equilibrium. Okay. So you can see this block is given and you need to find out the frictional force. Sorry, this is not from equilibrium. This is from friction. So now this question is from friction. So just solve it. Try to solve it using FBD and you will be able to answer it. 0, 50, 86 or 100, what would be the answer? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Manu is saying C. Viresh is saying C. Okay. So guys, I can understand your feelings here. This is the block. What you are doing is, this is 200 and you will take component of this 100. So here will be 100 cos 60 and here will be 100 sin 60. And you will be having normal reaction to be like this, friction force to be like this. So when you will go for summation Fy to be 0, you will be getting normal reaction. I feel normal reaction is coming 200 plus 100 sin 60. Is it clear? Yes. So my dear, when you will be solving, yes, Vineet, Kalyan and Midun, you guys are correct. So when you will solve it, you will get the value of n, and I feel this n value will be coming out to be, okay, whatever it will come, you can find out direct static friction maximum value. You know static friction को बहरूपिया भी कहा जाता है. Static friction maximum value is mu s into n. So when you will find out this, the answer will be coming out to be 86 Newton. And just by looking at this, majority of the student will take C. But my dear, you know static friction's maximum value is 86. So static friction lies between 0 to its maximum value. So if that is the case, 0 to maximum value, you can see this value 100 cos 60 is 50 Newton. So if action is 50, reaction cannot be 86. So answer will be 50 Newton. Okay, very good. Now I feel everybody understood. Very good, Bhavya. Finally you come here after so many days. Where were you, dear? आते रहा करो क्लास में. Moving to the next question, guys. Fine. This is once again from the kinematics. Yes, very good, Viresh. Once again from the kinematics, guys. So we are covering all the things. Next question we will see from circular motion as well. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 10 meters per second from a height of 40 meters from the ground. If the air resistance is neglected, G is 9.8. Time taken by the ball to reach the ground. You need to find out time taken by the ball to reach the ground. Solve it, guys. Yes. Very good, guys. So you will simply apply S is equals to ut plus half at square. Here S is the displacement. If it is from a height of 40 meter, so the final displacement is going to be 40 meters. So you will put it minus 40. Velocity is 10. Okay, you need to find out T. Plus 1 by 2 minus 9.81 into T square. You will be getting T value to be 4.09 seconds. The answer is D. So you guys are very much comfortable, I feel, with this. Dear engineering mechanics is having 80 to 90% syllabus of before +2 class only. Okay. So it is up to 11th only. Only trusses are the topics and virtual work which you do not study there. Very good, Viresh, Manu, Vineet. Next question is, a particle enters into a smooth surface, frictionless circular loop of radius r. If g is the acceleration due to gravity, then minimum speed with which the particle should enter the circular loop such that it can complete the full circular revolution. This is a very famous question, you know that. I feel everyone would be able to solve it. Yes, Jabir is saying A, Kalyan is saying A, I think A. Yes, the answer is A. The answer is A. Okay, so the particle is entering from here and he is asking that for complete circular path it will be completing. So can you tell me how you will be solving it? What you have done? Very good, Vineet. Very good, Mani. So what you have done for this, guys? Yes. Are we equating centripetal force mv square upon r, mv square upon r with the mg? Then you will be getting, yes. Is it clear? This is at point A. So when you will be doing this, you will be getting the value to be root 5 rg. Okay. Here you will be getting V to be root rg also. Okay. Then what you need to do, my dear, then you will be applying half mv square is going to be mg into 2r. Then you will be getting the answer to be root 5 rg. Is it the way you have gone through? Yes. Very good that. So the answer is A for this. Moving to the next question, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Very good, Kalyan, Jabir, Vineet. Wonderful. This is once again from the trusses. Once again from the trusses, you need to find out the force in AC member. So you can take the section from here. You can take the section from here. And after taking the section, just go for summation fx0. Just go for summation fx0 and get the answer. Yes. It is very easy question. Wonderful, guys. Just like and share the session so that other student can also reach. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. So what would be the answer for this one? What would be the answer for this one? So guys, I would also like to tell you that tomorrow on Sunday at 6 p.m. we are having a theory of machine session. Okay, on Sunday means tomorrow at 6 p.m. we have theory of machines session where we will see top 20 questions of Tom. Vineet is saying the answer to be D. Okay. Viresh is saying A. Okay. So dear, we will assume the forces in the members like this. When you will be breaking it into this, I will say, let us say this force is acting like this force is acting like this force is acting like this. Then force in DA member, force in CB member are, you can say, vertical forces. But this force will be having two components. One is this, other is this. So you can see 1 meter, so the angle is 45 degree. So you can call this force, if this force I am saying FCA, this is FCA cos 45. So if you see this part, there are only two horizontal forces. One is this, other is this. So when you will be going for summation fx to be 0, you will say P is equals to FCA cos 45. So FCA will be coming out to be P is 1 kilonewton divided by cos 45. The answer is root 2 kilonewton. Yes, Bhavya. Kalyan, actually after 15th of November the classes are already scheduled. Okay, after 15th November those classes would be coming, because already right now 2 classes are going on in that batch. So we cannot have the third class. Okay, yes. So guys, when you will be having this root 2 kilonewton, now the point is whether it is compression or tension. So guys, what you say, compression or tension? Compression or tension. You can see if here it is acting in this direction, here it will act in this direction. So in that case, you can say it is away from the joint. Away from the joint means this. This is the case of tension. So answer will be D for this. Yes, Bhavya, is it fine? Yes, correct. Very good. Moving to the next question, guys. Here, this question I will not be helping you. Okay, this you will be answering. Tell me how you will solve it. How you will solve it. So you need to see whether the forces are coplanar and body is in equilibrium or not. Yes. Solve it. So I will give you a hint. If the summation of all the forces are 0, body will be in equilibrium. So you can write F1 vector, F2 vector, F3 vector. So that summation, if it is coming out to be 0, then body will be in equilibrium. Yes. Is it coming out to be 0? Okay. So you can see, my dear, that this body is not in equilibrium. And as you can see, all the forces, this, and this. So yes, the answer is forces are such that the body is not in equilibrium. So C cannot be the right answer and A cannot be the right answer. Either B or D. How you check the body is in equilibrium or not? Sorry, how you check forces are coplanar or not? Yes, if you want to check the coplanar, you can take the matrix F1, F2, F3. Okay. And when you will be writing this matrix, it will be 5, 6, 0, minus 1, 0, 4, 1, 6, 16. If this is coming out to be 0, then you can call it coplanar. Otherwise, it is non-coplanar. Okay, so the answer will be D, I feel, for this. So moving to the next question, guys. This is once again from the dynamics. We have seen kinematics question. This is from dynamics. So dynamics question, and this is a common data question. So we have 2 questions. First of all, you need to talk about the velocity of the mass. They have mentioned mass is 2 kg. It is given that F is equals to 6t square. And you know this can be written as dp by dt. Force is nothing but dp by dt. Okay, so use this, and P is m into V. Use this. Nora is saying answer is A. What about others? Bhavya, Manu, Viresh, Vineet, Midun, Kalyan. Yes. So you can write it after differentiation. What you will be getting, dp as 6t square dt. Okay, very good. So when you will be solving it, they are asking about the velocity. So you will be getting 6 t cube by 3 after integration. And here you will get P2 minus P1. So you will be getting P2 mv minus mu is equals to, this is going to be 6 t cube, it will be 2 t cube. Mass is 2 kg. So you can say V minus U is equals to t cube. Initial velocity 0, so V is t cube. So velocity will be t cube, A will be the right answer. Very good, guys. Moving to the second part. The distance traveled in 2 seconds is. Distance traveled in 2 seconds is. You have seen V is t cube. So this is ds by dt. Use it and find out distance travel after 2 seconds. Yes, Kalua, it is correct, dear. Okay. Vineet is saying C for this. Viresh, Midun, Bhavya, Manu, Vineet, Nora. Okay, Nora is saying D for this. Very good. Kalua is saying D. Bhavya is saying 4. So guys, you can see that when you will be going for the integration t cube dt, you will be getting S to be t4 by 4. So after 2 seconds, 2 की power 4 by 4, the answer will be 4. Answer will be 4. Moving to the next question. This is a wonderful one. Yes, Vineet. This is a wonderful one. Here we are using the concept of pure rolling motion. Okay. So just try to solve it. This is question number 16 we are doing. Okay. Yes, solve it. You can make the FBD by keeping them aside. So this velocity is given as Vc. You need to find out the velocity at A. This is moving with Vp. Try to solve it. Okay, very good. Nora is saying C, Vineet is saying C, very good. Viresh is saying B. Yes, Bhavya, what do you say? C lag raha hai. Okay. So my dear, first of all, you know that when we are talking about pure rolling, so the velocity of this point will be coming out to be Vc plus R omega. And the velocity of this point will be Vc minus R omega. Yes or no? Is it correct? So this is Vc minus R omega, this is Vc plus R omega. And you know, for pure rolling, the velocity of this point is going to be 0 because Vp is going to be this. Yes or no? There is no velocity. Velocity at point of contact is going to be 0. Am I correct or not? So you will be equating that. What is Vc minus R omega? That should be equals to Vp for pure rolling motion. So Vc minus R omega is equals to Vp. So when you see the value of R omega, you would be getting R omega to be equals to Vc minus Vp. So you can put the value velocity of A is Vc plus R omega is Vc minus Vp. So it will be 2 Vc minus Vp. This is a very good question. C would be the right answer. Yes, very good. You can go for that as well. Okay, actually Kennedy theorem is using this concept. Okay, moving further. So this is a question from Trusses. I feel this time you can solve it. Viresh, I feel you understood. So a simple plain truss is shown in the figure. You can see this is 1000 Newton, this is 1000 Newton. The force in member CD, so that you can take this section. The force in member CD they are asking. and by equilibrium you can say the support reaction at Ra will be coming out to be 1000 only, and the support reaction here will also be coming out to be 1000 Newton. Okay, so Ra and Rf are going to be 1000 Newton. You need to find out force in CD. Yes. Very good. What about others? What about others? I am waiting for all of you to answer it. Very good. Vineet, बहुत ही बढ़िया. So my dear, you know that in this member, if I assume the force to be like this, then you can take two components, and when you will be taking two components, you can say that in horizontal there is no other force. So you will find out FCD cos 45 to be 0 when you will be applying summation Fx 0. Okay, and then you will be getting this answer to be 0, or you can go by summation Fy 0. Then also the answer will be same, because this 1000 and this 1000 will be balancing each other. So the vertical component of this force is going to be 0. In that way also you can say, you can write FCD sin 45 plus 1000 minus 1000 is equals to 0. Then also FCD will be coming out to be 0, and the answer is B for it. विनीत, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल आप शुरू से ही शुरू करो, उसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं कि पहले कौन सा टॉपिक. स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट चैप्टर ओनली. ओके, एंड यू हैव दैट मच टाइम दैट यू कैन गो फॉर दैट सब्जेक्ट. एंड दिस इज वंस अगेन द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इक्विलिब्रियम टॉपिक. दिस इज द वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन गाइस, वंडरफुल वन. एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 we moved on to. Yes, so try to solve this question guys. This is a wonderful one, and you know this type of question, now there is a huge possibility to come. Okay, you know this kind of question in equilibrium are new type for GATE examination. So try to solve it. They are saying a roller of weight W. It means here there is a weight W is rolled over the wooden block shown in the figure. The pull required just to cause the sad motion. So they are asking the value of F, which is required to just start the motion, means you can consider the body to be in equilibrium. Vineet is saying B, Viresh is saying B, Bhavya is saying D. Okay, so my dear, what you need to do here, for such question we are going to take the moment at the point of contact to be 0 by considering equilibrium. Summation moment of O to be 0. You can see this force is creating anti-clockwise, F is creating clockwise, W is creating anti-clockwise. So you can see that this distance will be used for moment of force, and this distance will be used for moment of W. And you can see that this is the radius. This is the radius. So if you will take vertical component and horizontal component, that is what you are required. I am correcting it. This would be the distance. Okay, so you just need to take the moment here. Very good. Midun is also saying A. Okay, let me check the answer. The answer is coming out to be √3W. Yes, B is correct guys. B is correct. So you will see that F into R sin 30 and minus W into R cos 30. You can see this distance will be R cos 30 and this will be R sin 30. You can see the triangle like this. This is R and this angle is 30. So this is r sine 30. This is r cos 30. Using this, you will be getting F to be root 3 times of W. B is the right answer. Question number 18, guys. Question number 18. So guys, just like and share the session. You guys are not liking the session, just do that. A block of mass m moving with the velocity v compresses a spring through a distance of x. Before its speed is halved, the spring constant of the spring is. Okay, Bhavya, it's fine. Solve it, guys, now. Here you need to just apply the conservation of energy. Okay, some are saying B, some are saying C. Let us see that. So you can write initially kinetic energy of the block is equals to kinetic energy of the block plus potential energy of spring. This is initially, this is at second position. So you can write half mv square. Second position when x displacement happened, half m v by 2 square plus half kx square. Energy scalar directly added up. Very good. So when you will be doing that, you can put half mv square is equals to half mv square by 4 plus half kx square. You need to write the value of x. X will be coming out to be what? Okay, you need to find out the spring constant. You need to find out the spring constant. Okay. So after solving this, you will be getting the k to be 3 mv square by 4x square. B would be the right answer. Very good, guys. We are left with 2 more questions. Wonderful. So the answer for this is B. Very good. So guys, please tell me how you find the level of question. Is it fine? So this time I have taken just the level of gate, not more than that. Okay. Otherwise, whenever I come, I take some level more than that. हाँ, yes, your answer is correct, कलुआ, बिल्कुल सही है आपका आंसर. Moving to the next question. A particle start from rest with a constant acceleration of alpha meter per second square. Alpha is the acceleration. Till it reaches a maximum velocity. Immediately after reaching maximum velocity, it decelerates with a uniform rate of beta till it comes to rest. The total time taken between two rest position is t. The maximum velocity acquired by the particle is. Solve this question. Solve this question. This is a good question. Once again from the kinematics. Try this. Question number 19 it is. Okay. Kalua is saying 1 plus alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay. Kalua, please tell which option is correct. Vineet is saying C. Okay. Already you have given C. Viresh is saying D. Okay. Viresh, have you solved it or you are doing Jai Mata Di ABCD? Hai? Yes. Bhavya, what do you say? So you know that equation is V is equals to U plus AT. So initially velocity is 0. So you can write T to be V upon A, which will give you V upon alpha 1. Initially the velocity is 0. In the same way you can find out second time it is V by beta. So this is first time, this is second time. So total T is T1 plus T2. So you can write V by alpha plus V by beta. You know, both the time it is reaches to the same velocity. So the maximum velocity is V. Okay. Maximum velocity is V. So my dear, if you will see that, here you will be getting V maximum 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equals to T. Okay, you need to find out the value of T. So you will solve it. T is V maximum alpha into beta by alpha plus beta. So the answer for this question is C. C is the right answer for this one. Very good, Bhavya. So we are moving to the last question for today. It is question number 20th. Last question. Solve it, guys. Two metallic blocks having masses in the ratio of 2:3. M1 by M2 is 2:3. You can see they are saying when these blocks reach the bottom of the inclined plane. So there is an inclined plane. Then what would be the ratio of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy of 1, kinetic energy of 2. Half M1 V1 square, half M2 V2 square. Bhavya is saying the answer to be C. What about others? What about others? Okay, Bhavya, that is the answer for the previous question. Fine. Vineet is saying A. I understood that. Kalua is saying A. Very good. Solve it, solve it. So when a block is starting from here and it is at a height of h, you know that velocity which would be at here, this is 0, V. This is given as √2gh. Yes. When for both the blocks height is same, we will say velocity is also same. Height is same, velocity is also same. So my dear, because of that, half will cancel out, V2 will cancel out, V2 V1 will cancel out. So the ratio of kinetic energy at 1, kinetic energy at 2 would be 2/3. The answer would be A for this. विनीत, एक्चुअली दैट प्लेलिस्ट जो आप बोल रहे हो वो एक जगह पर अवेलेबल नहीं है, बिकॉज ट्रसेस एंड फ्रिक्शन लेक्चर्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब एंड ऑन यूट्यूब इन दिस चैनल ओनली. Equilibrium is available at mechanical marvels. There I have taught equilibrium. So if you can understand Hindi language, in mechanical marvels you will see equilibrium chapter is there. So these 3 chapters are available and rest were there on the app, but on app it is very difficult to find out because it was more than 6 to 8 months ago. Okay, so that is why. But yes, trusses, friction and equilibrium are on YouTube. So these 3 topics you can cover from YouTube. And rest topics I have taken on app, like I have taken virtual work, centroid, Lagrange, all those topics were taken on the app. Okay, so I feel today we have completed the 20 questions. There is a very important announcement that tomorrow on Sunday at 6 p.m. at 6 p.m. we have the same Super 20 for theory of machines. Okay. Dear, actually the name of the series is Super 20, so only 20 questions, but don't worry, After 13th of November, as I already told you, now this channel where we are having the class right now is going to be for EE, EC and IN and computer science only. For mechanical and civil now, like previously there were two channels. One is YouTube English, other is YouTube Hindi. Now that YouTube Hindi channel, that is GATE and ESC Hindi channel of BYJU'S, is going to be converted into the mechanical civil channel. So whether English session or Hindi session of mechanical and civil will not be on this channel after 13th of November. They will be on that Hindi channel, and that Hindi channel will be renamed as GATE and ESC Civil and Mechanical. So on that channel we are going to meet after 13th November. Only till 13th November you are having the classes here. After that you would be having classes there. So just subscribe that channel if you have not done yet. Okay, and there we will be having a lot of marathon sessions which are already planned, where we will do 50-70 questions also. So practice sessions would be there, revision marathons would be there, all the things we are planning for you guys. Okay, first विनीत आपको सोम करना चाहिए. हाँ कलुआ, I take SOM, mechanics, TOM, machine design, production, engineering mechanics, and for paper 1 basics of project management and material science. So I take a variety of subject. So I take actually entire paper 2 of ESC, that is design plus production. Okay, so thanks for joining guys. Goodbye for this session. So dear, when you will study hard for preparation, you will also be able to teach anyone, because there is a famous quote: if you really know something, then you can teach that to anyone. Okay, so that is by Sir Einstein, if you have seen that. So if I know something, I can teach you, otherwise I don't know. Okay, great Vineet in that case. So guys, goodbye for this session and thanks for joining. We are meeting tomorrow at 6 PM once again. Goodbye. Just like and share the session guys before leaving it. Just like and share before leaving it. Thanks Vineet for your love and support.